What is an investment platform? An investment platform is an online service that lets you buy, sell, and manage investments such as shares, funds, or bonds, all in one place. Think of it like an online supermarket for investing. It brings everything together so you can choose what you want and keep track of it easily. In other countries, you might hear them called brokerages or simply brokers. Why does it matter? Without an investment platform, you'd need to contact each company or fund manager directly to buy their shares, which would be slow and complicated. A platform simplifies the process by acting as the middleman. It also keeps all your investments in one account, showing you their value, performance, and income. For beginners, it makes investing more accessible. For experienced investors, it makes managing a large portfolio far easier. Here's a simple example. If you live in the UK, popular investment platforms include Trading 212, Hargreaves Lansdown, AJ Bell, or Interactive Investor. Using one of these services, you can log in, search for a company like Unilever, and buy shares instantly. Your shares then appear in your account, alongside any funds or bonds you own. Instead of juggling paperwork from multiple providers, you can manage everything from one dashboard. Many platforms also let you choose the type of account you invest through. For example, a tax-efficient stocks and shares ISA, a pension, SIPP, or a general investment account. What else should you know? Investment platforms aren't free. They usually charge fees, which might be a flat monthly rate, a percentage of your portfolio, or trading commissions. Over time, fees can add up, so it's important to compare costs. Some platforms are designed for frequent traders, others for long-term investors. It's also worth looking at the tools on offer. Some platforms include mobile apps, research reports, robo-advisors, or automatic dividend reinvestment, while others focus on keeping things simple and low cost. Safety matters too. In the UK, regulated platforms are overseen by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and client money is normally held separately from the platform's own funds. That means your investments should remain safe even if the platform itself runs into financial trouble. And remember, while platforms make investing convenient, the investments themselves still carry risk. Shares can go down as well as up. To sum it all up, an investment platform is an online hub where you can buy, sell, and manage your investments in one place. It makes investing simpler and more convenient, with extras like tax-efficient accounts and helpful tools, though fees and risks are always important to keep in mind. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.